Today I'm going to show you how to make this holder for my MIG torch. Here's a list of materials you'll need for this project. I got a 3-inch magnet that I bought at Harbor Freight. I got some 2 by 1/8 inch by 14-inch long piece of flat strap. I've got a short 5/16 bolt with a lock washer and a nut. The first thing I like to do when making something out of metal is make a cardboard template. Here I just clamped an angle finder and a small square to the table to kind of figure out which angle I like as a starting point. It should hold my torch about like that. Let's go ahead and transfer this to metal and see what it looks like. Alright, let's go ahead and transfer my measurements to this piece of flat strap that I got off that cardboard. Our first bend's going to be at 3 inches, then our second bend's going to be at 6 inches. Then we need to mark center of the whole thing. Then this will drill 5/16 hole right here for our magnet. Let's go ahead and center that. Then on the ends, I'm just going to go in like 3/4 of an inch. This one will be a 5/8 drill bit, and this one will be a 1-inch drill bit. This is how I come up with my drill bit sizes. I measured this was 9/16, so I'm going to measure that 5/8 to be a little bit bigger, and this was 7/8. So I'm going to make that 1 inch to make it a little bit bigger so it'll slide in there easily. Now that I got these holes drilled out, I'm going to mark it to cut out for this notch here. On this one I just went a 1/2 inch from the end, put a line there. On that one I just kind of lined it up with the edge of the hole. On this one I'm going to use a 3/8 socket, and I'm just going to center it up with that line that I drew on there. I'm just going to try to round that off. On this end I'm going to do the same thing but with a 1/2 inch socket. Now that I got those notched out, I'm going to take this thing and clamp it down to this table and bend it. Okay, to get my angles, I'm going to use this little angle finder here. If you don't have one of these, you should get one. They're awesome. I'm going to zero that out, and I'm going to try to bend this down till it hits a 45. Looks like we went a few degrees over. I think I need to bend this one a little bit more. $60 worked out perfect. Alright, all we got left to do now is bolt the magnet on and test it out. Alright, let's test it out. There it is. I like it. I think the 60-degree angle on this end and 45-degree angle on this end works really well for this. This is a Hobart 190. And I think those measurements and angles work really well for this setup. Thank you for watching.